Watch the load, Khan. Hold it steady. The line is slipping.
It's worse than we thought. The frame is bent, and the engine block is cracked.
Can it be fixed?
Not easily, Khan.
Keep it coming straight, Bilal. Slow now, slow. All right, hold it right there. Cut the wheel. A little to the left. Okay, hold it right there. Mission accomplished. She's a beauty.
The block is cracked, and the rust is everywhere. This engine is finished.
Look at how the light catches the metallic flake here. Remarkable finish, truly.
We did it, son.
She's beautiful. I can't believe it. Thank you both so much. It means the world.
This view is incredible, and I'm glad we decided to take this route.
Best road trip ever, honestly.
We should definitely come back here again.